It's a sunny. Yes, today's weather is sunny. And there is a lot of sun. बहुत बड़ा sun है and there is I'm feeling quite hot. Everyone is feeling hot. बहुत गर्मी हो रही है. देखो कितनी गर्मी हो रही है हमें. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है. So today's weather is sunny and it is hot. So you should drink lot of water. आपका पूरा फुल ग्लास आपको एम्प्टी करना है. इतना सारा पानी आपको पीना है. Yes dear students, very good. Now what we are going to learn today? Yes, चलो वो तो recap करेंगे. But before that, one concept I am going to teach you. I am going to teach you the concept of animal and their products. Yes, now see. So our first animal is cow. Yes, everyone knows cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow हमें क्या देती है? Cow gives us milk. Now see, the color of the milk is white. Yes, cow gives us milk. So product of cow is milk. And we can drink the milk. We get the power with the milk. And we get lot of calcium from the milk. So this is about the cow. So you should never beat the cow and never throw any garbage in the carry bag. Always throw the garbage in the in a garbage van, but not in a carry bag and outside on the street, because cow eats lot and lot of food. And if you are throwing the food in the polythene bags, they will eat the carry bags, and there is lot of stuff in their stomach. उनके टमी में बड़ा सा stuff हो जाएगा carry bag का. So do you know nowadays all the cows are having this much of carry bag in their stomach. So doctors are taking it out by doing operations. Yes, this is a real fact in India. So cow is our goddess. Cow हमारी माता है. Yes, उसके 2 सींग है. So cow को हमें कभी मारना भी नहीं और कभी कैरी बैग में खाना देना नहीं चाहिए. Yes dear students, so we should take care of our cow. Now our second animal is see, our next animal. Hey, it's a sheep, Baba Black Sheep. And you know, shall we sing the poem? Yes, get set ready for the poem. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. So do you know, sheep gives us wool. Yes, sheep हमें क्या देती है? Wool देती है. On its body there is a lot of wool. So we can trim the hairs by shearing. Yes, उसके बालों को निकालने के प्रोसेस को shearing कहते हैं. Yes, और उससे उनके बाल निकालते हैं जिससे हम wool बनाते हैं. And wool से हम स्वेटर बनाते हैं और स्वेटर हम पहनते हैं. देखो हम स्वेटर कैसे बनाते हैं, इस तरह. So in this way we can make sweater. Yes, which keeps us warm during winter season. Sweater keeps us warm during winter season. Yes, very good. Now our next animal is, hey, it's a hen. See the hen, and the sound of hen is cluck 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 cluck. Hen कैसे करती है? Cluck cluck. Hen says cluck cluck. And hen gives us egg. See, I never eat egg because I am pure vegetarian. So egg में छोटा बेबी होता है तो एग नहीं खाना चाहिए. Yes, but जो लोग खाते हैं वो खा सकते हैं, लेकिन आई डोंट लाइक द स्मेल ऑफ एग. It's a dirty smell. Okay, and there is small baby that is called as a chick inside the egg. Egg में chick होता है, so don't harm that chick. Chick को harm नहीं होना चाहिए. Yes, so hen gives us egg. Very good. Now next animal is, hey, which animal is this? Guess fast. It's a buffalo. You know, buffalo. B says buffalo, and buffalo gives us milk. Yes, see, buffalo का भी white milk होता है. Though the buffalo is black, but still it gives white milk. Now our next animal is pig. Yes, pig क्या देता है? Nothing but pig hairs are used in painting brush. पेंटिंग के ब्रश में पिग के हेयर्स यूज करते हैं. एंड सम पीपल लाइक्स टू ईट द फ्लेश ऑफ द पिग. It's so dirty, but they eat. But you should not eat the flesh of the pig. Yes, dear students. And our next animal is snake. What does the snake gives us? Snake gives us its skin. Yes, snake के skin से belt बनाते हैं. Yes, the snake skins we can make with the help of snake skins our leather belt and purses and clutch and many more decorative items. And elephant, yes, elephant is also useful animal. With the help of elephant tusk. टस्क मीन्स एलिफेंट के लंबे दांतों से हम बहुत डेकोरेटिव मटेरियल बनाते हैं, लाइक बैंगल्स एंड शो पीसेस एंड मेनी मोर थिंग. इट्स टस्क आर वाइट. Sometimes if you suppose to go to Hyderabad, you just visit Salarjung Museum. In that museum there are various things made up of tusk of the elephant, that is called as the ivory. ओके, आइवरी कहते हैं उसे. आइवरी से बने हुए बहुत सारी चीजें सालारजंग म्यूजियम में रखी है. सो यू कैन हैव अ लुक एट ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. नाउ यू कैन सी ऑल दीज थिंग्स virtually also. Just type Salarjung Museum, have a virtual visit, and you can visit that museum. Yes, so in this way we get many more things from all these animals. Yes, dear students, now get set ready for our next animal. And next animal is camel. Camel के hairs की भी brush बनाते हैं and camel की भी wool निकालते हैं. कुछ camels को lot of hairs on their body, so we can have all these hairs and we can make wool. Now camel also gives us milk to the people who lives in the desert. Yes, where there are no cows, no buffaloes. At that time the camel is very useful because camel can also gives us milk. And camel, and just like camel, ships can also gives us milk. Ship भी हमें milk देती है. Yes, बकरी का भी दूध पीते हैं. And ये देखो, आपको पता है animal skin is also useful for making leather shoes and leather jackets and leather belt and leather wristwatch का belt. So these are all useful things. Yes, dear students, so enjoy our animals and their products. So see you, bye, have a nice day, see you tomorrow, kids. Now take out your textbook of number book homework, book 1. So page number 32 you have to take out. Write down numbers 51 to 60, okay, on this page. So write down today's date. Today is 10th of March 2021. So 5-1 51, 5-2 52, 5-3 53, 5-4 54, 5-5 55, 3 times, and then till 60. On the very next page, write down today's date, 10th of March 2021. write down 61 to 70. All the numbers you have to write down in a sequence. Then turn the page. Write down numbers 71 to 80. After writing till 80, you have to take out another book. Take out your workbook of concept, in which you have to take out page number 1111. And see, these are some animals and their products are given over here. So you have to see. This is a sheep, and sheep gives us flowers. No. हॉट डॉग्स नो. फ्लैश यस, बहुत से लोग sheep का फ्लैश खाते हैं. So you have to circle, and sheep gives us wool also. So you have to stick the wool. Now this is a cow. Cow gives us, yes, cow का भी कुछ लोग फ्लैश खाते हैं. Now take out your my workbook of concept. Read the instruction. LOOK. Look at the animals on the left. Left. Draw the circle around their food. So you have to draw the circle around their food. Now the sheep eats, yes, grass. Sheep grass खाती है. So you have to circle the grass. Cow eats hay. This is called as a hay. Hay means the grass that is cut, dried and then fed to the animals. And giraffe eats the branch of a tree or leaves of a tree. So you have to circle the tree. Don't forget to write down date. We have seen sink and float earlier. So think and circle the object that would float. An object will sink if it is more dense than water. An object will float if it is less dense than water. So अब क्या float होगा और क्या sink होगा? So जो float होगा उसे circle करना है. So the ship will float or sink? Float. The stone, it will sink. The hammer, it will sink. The duck, it will float. So you have to circle. Yes, the tube, it will float. This will float. And the magnet, it will sink. The pin, it will sink. The sponge will sink, and spoon will also sink. So circle the things. Don't forget to write down date. Take out page number 1616, in which this is a clerk. So you have to, this is a clerk or a doctor? So you have to read this. After reading, try to match the spelling and then tick. Okay, so doctor, DOCTOR, doctor. So you have to tick the correct answer. Now see another one. This is a policeman. Try to read POLICE, police, or NUR, nurse, NURSE, nurse. Then read this. While doing this activity, try to read it. Postman, doctor. Farmer, engineer. So which is this? This is a farmer. This is a cook or postman. This is a cook. Then tick the cook. Write down today's date. On the very next page, match the corresponding community helper to where he used to work. The doctor works in the hospital. The teacher in the school. The postman in a post office. And the policeman in the police station. So you have to match. This is very easy activity. So you can do it without any delay. Write down today's date. Now dear students, take out your हिंदी शब्द प्रवेश. अब हिंदी शब्द प्रवेश में आपको निकालना है पेज नंबर 1111. तो ये देखो, ये क्या है? ये है टब टब, धड़ धड़, डफ डफ और खग खग, कप कप, इत्र, छत, कर, जग और ये है धन. तो इसको पहचान कर आपको लिखना है. नाउ टर्न द पेज. डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट डाउन डेट. टर्न द पेज. अब यही आपको मैच करना है. तो ये रीड करो. जड़ जड़, एक एक, जड़ मतलब पेड़ के रूट, तो उसे मैच करो. एक ढक, ढकना, ढक, ये है ढ से ढक. उसके बाद है. हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टेक आउट योर EVS notebook in which today you are going to write uses of hands. Okay, write down today's date. It's 12 March 2021 and today is Friday. Friday. So you have to draw, place your palm here and draw outline of your palm. Now this is your palm. What you can do with your palm? So make a circle around it and give one arrow. You can catch, CATCH, catch. You can throw, THROW, throw. You can wash, WASH. You can clap. You can slap. Yes, आप किसी को मार भी सकते हो. You can bounce, BOUNCE, bounce. You can paint. You can paint with your hand. Then you can push, PUSH, push. You can pull. Yes. You can hold, HOLD, hold. And you can cook, COOK, cook. And you can write. Yes, ये सारी चीज़ें आप अपने हाथ से करते हो. Now take flesh tint color and color your palm. Now you can color the border with blue color like this. In this way, you should know the uses of hand. Now dear students, take out your English notebook in which you have to write a small passage. Now see, the dog ran. The dog ran away. The dog ran away with. The dog ran away with the.
The dog ran away with the ball. Now write down questions. Who can run? The cat, the dog, or the frog? Yes, the dog can run. Question number 2. So you have to circle this answer, or you can write the answer over here also. Question number 2. The dog ran away with the bone, the toy, or the ball. So you have to find out correct answer from this passage. You can draw or stick the picture of a dog and a ball. The dog ran away with the ball. Write down today's date. It's 12 March 2021. Now write down cursive capital V. See, cursive capital V आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है in these 3 lines. So write down today's date. Now on the next page write down small letter V. V says van. Then turn the page. Write down V related words. V and van. अभी नया टैक्स लगा है VAT and was VASE. Then violin and vulture. VULTURE, vulture. Write down today's date. And write down one more word here. Yes, dear students, so write down all this. Now take out your another book, and that is the numerical workbook, in which page number 3737. So tick and identify the shorter one. So you have to identify the short man and the tall. So the boy is short, so you have to tick the shorter one. Then the frog is short, you have to tick. And the snail is short, you have to tick. And the quail is short, you have to tick. This is an ostrich, this is an ape, this is a camel, and this is a man. Write down today's date. Today is 12/3/21. Then turn the page. We did this. Now take out your another page. Write down the numerals in ascending order. That means small to big. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 9 and 1, 0, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In this way you have to write down the numbers in ascending order. Now see, the man is climbing the steps. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. This is called ascending order. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is called descending. So you have to do ascending one. So write down the spelling of 8. EIGHT, 8. You can color these 8 ice creams. Yes. And trace the spelling of 8 and write down in cursive writing EIGHT 8. Now on the very next page, which is the taller one, this one is tall, taller, tallest. This is again, this is tall, taller and tallest. So सबसे छोटा है तो tall, फिर उससे बड़ा taller and सबसे बड़ा tallest. So you have to write down date. Here also write down date 12/3/2021. Now take out your हिंदी शब्द प्रवेश. अब देखो ये है गज, तो आपको गज को सर्कल करना है. ये है खग, या जल। क्या है ये? चलो अच्छे से देखो, ये है जल, तो जल को सर्कल करना है। ये है टब या तट, ये है तट, समुंदर का किनारा को तट कहते हैं। ये है धड़, हमारे शरीर को ऊपर के धड़ कहते हैं। ये है थन, थन मतलब गाय के, इसे थन कहते हैं। ये है इत्र, खग, तो आपको सही शब्द पहचान कर उसको सर्कल करना है। नाउ टर्न द पेज। अब आपको लिखना है नख, नग, नट, नथ। नाउ नख, तो आपको ये नख, नग, नट और नथ ट्रेस करना है। तो आज की डेट डालो। Then you have to take out your number book and write down numbers 81 to 90. Yes, so 81 81, 82 82, 83 83, 84 84. Write down today's date. It is 12/3/2021. Yes, dear students, so see you tomorrow with many more written part. Bye.